Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we share with you quick and simple ways to make items from American Girl's Honeydukes candy trolley. Treat your dolls to delicate sugar quills, Bertie Bott's every flavour beans, and of course, the classic chocolate frogs. And check out our previous DIY for Butterbeer and sweets if you'd like to make more Harry Potter themed foods. Okay, let's get making!
To get the shape of the sugar quills, use your phone or tablet to enlarge the American Girl promotional picture. Place a piece of paper, or like us, the release paper from used contact, over your device and trace a feather. Our feather measures 5.5 centimeters tall and 2 centimeters wide. You will also need to trace a mirror image. Here we flip the paper over so the shiny non-stick side is facing up. Outline the shape of the feather, then fill it in. Cut off a segment of cake pop stick, then push half of it into the glue while it's still tacky. Now fill in the mirror image with hot glue. Allow it to cool slightly, but not set hard. Then place the original quill into the glue, securing the stick in the middle. Once joined, you can peel it off the paper. For more detail, use a precision-tipped hot glue gun and draw a line down the centre for the shaft. Then add diagonal lines on either side for the veins or barbs. Repeat this step on the other side of your feather. Reuse your template to make more sugar quills. Next, paint your feathers. We used a vibrant blue, orange, green and red to match AG's version. When the paint has dried, generously coat your quills with gloss Mod Podge for that shiny candy look. Here, we cut thin strips of plastic packaging for a handle. Use a brad punch to make small holes at each end of the strip. Thread it onto the stick, making a loop for you to place it around your doll's hand. Now they can enjoy a secret sweet treat during class. Here we sourced Harry Potter candy box templates from the internet that you can print off for your personal use. Let's start with Bertie Bott's every flavour beans. We opted to glue our printable onto white poster board to make it thicker and stronger. Then cut out the 4 windows. Place strips of double-sided tape around the openings to adhere small rectangles of plastic packaging. Put more tape along the side tab to join the box walls. Close the bottom tabs, ensuring the tiny triangle symbols align. Now cut slits into the lid with an X-Acto knife so you can insert the top tabs and seal the box. To make a permanent stack of jelly beans, glue 2 beads together for a base. Using a variety of coloured seed beads, stick them to the base with hot glue. Aim to place the colours randomly. Pop the stack inside your box and close the lid. With so many flavours of jelly beans, your dolls can taste the range from delicious to disgusting. Next, let's make the chocolate frog box. This time we glued our printable onto blue poster board, then cut it out and pre-creased all the tabs. Apply liquid glue to the smaller tabs to make the pentagon-shaped base. Fold over the long tabs, sticking them to the internal walls and sandwiching the smaller tabs inside. Gently bend the lid, adhering the top tab to the underside of the printable. Fold the decorative flaps inward so you can close up your box. Next, trace the frog image found on the printable onto non-stick paper. With hot glue, outline and flood the shape. Once cooled, build up the body with more hot glue. Draw a diamond on your frog's back and apply more glue around the outside of this area and to the legs. Finish with tiny drops of hot glue for eyes. Paint your frog a rich dark brown. It may require a few coats, or you can speed up the process using spray paint. Put your frog inside the box for your dolls to enjoy. Oh, and these frogs are made from 70% cocoa. We hope you enjoyed these simple, quick Honeydukes candy crafts. Hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!